In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Samsung S10. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your PlayStation 4 controller on any Samsung device that you have, specifically the S10 for this video. So, in order to easily connect your DualShock 4 controller, you have to use Bluetooth. This is going to be by far the most convenient way to do it, although you can try to use a cable. If you would like to use Bluetooth, first go over to the settings on your phone and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. With Bluetooth enabled on your S10, you will be able to put your PlayStation 4 controller into pairing mode. Press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds. Eventually, the light bar will start blinking rapidly. This indicates that the controller is looking for nearby devices to pair into. So now, if you look under the list of available devices on your Samsung S10, you will be able to choose the DualShock 4 from there. So choose the DualShock 4 from the list, and immediately upon doing so, it is going to be successfully connected to your Samsung S10. Now, if you go inside of any game or any sort of emulator that natively supports controller inputs, you will be able to play using your PlayStation 4 controller. It is going to remain connected indefinitely as long as it is sufficiently charged. Once it runs out of battery, you will be able to charge it, so make sure that it is sufficiently charged before attempting this, and you are able to unpair it at any point. For future reference, whenever you turn it on, it should automatically pair itself up with the Samsung S10, and you will be able to use it on any device that it is paired into. If it doesn't work, I would recommend unpairing it and then repeating the process, and you should be able to get this working once you restart your S10. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 4 controller to Samsung S10. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.